Were you serious yesterday? I need to change the thumbnails. Please let me know so I will change. If you like this video, please do consider like, subscribe and share. Thank you.
So, did you go through the document?
Yes, yes. I mean, I just read only the head line of document.
That's good.
That's
That's
it.
good enough.
Yes, yes, yes.
Design or renovate your dream home.
Renovate, dream home. Yes.
So, tell me, Miss Megha, if you ever end up buying a dream house, a dream home, and it is unfurnished, how would you furnish it? What kind of styles would you like to implement? Or what kind of, for me personally, I'm very excited about appliances and technology in the house. So, what kind
Oh,
of appliances would you get, or technologies would you get for
okay.
the house?
So, okay, let me think. And then, okay. So I have, as usual, everybody has the dream house, right? So I also have, and my dream house, like, I don't want anything related technology. I mean, I mean the things which require, let me organize my ideas. Only those things I prefer, which is very important for me for my work. Other than
Which
that,
are
which are, sorry, yes, which are uh, important, or important for me and for my work. But other than that, I will never ever fill my home with different kind of plants and technology and instruments and machines. I never ever will do that. Rather than, I would like to fill up my dream house with natural things. I will never buy
like
luxury
plants?
plants and wooden made things, and mm, like I have a desire that I would buy some, sorry, I will buy, I should say, I would,
Both. Both.
yes, would, okay, I would buy some like sofa set or bed, good bed, not very luxurious. I can say, not,
Yes.
I will not find any more interesting anymore these things. Rather than, uh, I would like to empty my house. Even I can lie on floor
Oh, so you
without
want,
any.
so basically you can say that I am the kind of person who would invest in her career and only buy things for my dream home that help me with my career. Let's say a camera set, or like make a small studio where I can record,
Yes,
right?
yes,
And other than that, other than having a good bed and a good sofa, nothing too luxurious, I would make sure the house has a very minimalistic design
yes, with livelihood things. I
with
don't,
things.
with things.
Don't say livelihood. Livelihood is like salary and
I would
it's
like to say like things, livelihood,
organic decorations.
organic, yes, but I didn't get the proper word. Sorry. So
It's
i
okay.
will I will tell you when it will come in my mind. It
You don't
comes
need
in
to
my
say
mind.
sorry when
No, no,
you
it
know.
comes randomly. I don't want to mean it. Maybe I just want to fulfill that gap, so I said this. Okay. So yes, and having said that, I have extreme desire to have my own garden, uh, fill up with all kind of roses, all colors of roses, even black, and all trees, fruitful trees,
Hmm.
and with grass. And whenever I wake up in the morning, then I can sit for 1 hour, and whenever I want to go there, and I can see flowers, I can see trees, I can see animal as well. I have desire to have, like, I had the experience, like, we are Yadavs, so we had pet animals like cow.
Okay,
So
so I
now,
wouldn't say cows are pet animals. You would say we have always had farm animals.
Farm animals. Yes, sorry. Okay, again I said sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So when you
farm.
go to the garden, don't say I
Mhm.
want to see animals because that just sounds like you want a forest. Say I would go to the garden with my pet or with my farm
Pet.
animal.
Yes, maybe I phrased it wrongly. I mean, in my garden, beside of garden, I would like to have farm where I can where I have farm animals
Mm-hmm.
like cow and others.
Cows.
Cows, yes. So these are my dream house. This is my dream house. Sorry, Arn.
That sounds good. That sounds great. A couple of things. Don't say fruitful trees. Say, I want trees in my garden where I can pluck my own fruit or I
I
can
can
grow my own fruit.
I can pluck my own fruits. I can grow
Yeah,
my own fruits. Oh, yeah.
yes. You want a garden and you want to invest time in gardening so that when you feel stressed, you have a personal space where you can go for a small picnic for an hour, just
Yes,
relax, feel connected with nature when you see the plants and the trees.
yes, yes,
Go
yes.
say hi to your farm animals when you're bored.
Yes, yes, yes. Sometimes I'll start talking with animal and plants as well. I didn't get reply, but I love to
I
talk with them.
won't get a reply.
I won't get reply, but
A reply. I won't
uh,
get a reply, but I would love to still have the conversation.
yeah, I won't get a reply, but I would love to have conversation with
A conversation with them. Yeah.
a conversation with them.
Yes.
Perfect.
Stop eating your words. Are you hungry?
I'm not hungry. I feel I'm hurry.
You're feeling rushed.
Yeah, I'm feeling rushed. I'm feeling rushed. Okay.
Rushed.
Rush. Don't
It means
rush.
when you're rushing. Yeah, when you're
Rush.
rushing. Yeah. So I feel like I'm in a rush. Uh, this feeling that you have right now, it means you're feeling rushed. But when you say feeling rushed, it means I am pressuring you to say it quickly. So that is incorrect. I think that's incorrect. Did I rush you?
No, no,
Okay.
you never
So
ever
when
did
your
that.
boss says, "Why is this report incorrect?" and then you can say that, "Well, my supervisor told me to do it quickly, so I felt rushed."
Okay,
That
I
means someone
felt
forced me to rush. Yeah.
rushed. Okay, I felt rushed. Okay,
So you can say, I was feeling rushed, or I feel like I'm in a rush.
okay.
Jaldi, 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 jaldi. And then you panic, right?
Yes, when it happens when I have so many things to say, the things which automatically comes from my heart. So I
Hmm.
feel that I should say all the things in a rush way,
Yeah.
rushed or rush
I should say all these things in a rush. That's it.
in a rush.
RUSH, rush.
Yes, yes, yes,
Your
and
thought bucket is overflowing, so you can't stop the water then. You have to
yes,
say
and
it because it's falling
in
down.
this rush,
Make
uh, it
mistakes.
I eat my words.
I eat my words. Okay. Nice. So I'll make sure you're not feeling rushed. Okay.
Yes, yes, thank you.
Okay. So, where's the technology in the house? I want to know what technology you would keep in the house. What
Okay.
about like security measures? Some people like to have CCTV cameras. What would you like to have?
These are the concerns I need to think, but I haven't thought yet about these things because I lived. Is it correct?
I have lived in a
I have
small town.
lived
Is that what you're
in,
saying?
yes, in a small town or in a small town, and our house are like open house. So we are not bothered with this kind of things.
You're used
But
to the simple life, so you can't really, you don't care about the. Yeah, I get what
yes,
I'm saying.
yes,
I can't think of a word now, but I get what you're saying. But
yes.
what about your career? You said you would want things that in the house that would help you with your job or with your career. So obviously you would need if you continue doing YouTube, you would need some technology, right? What about that equipment?
Okay, so I mean currently whatever I'm doing through my phone, and I have
Mhm.
my own laptop as well. But I don't use my laptop to create videos. I only use for conversation. So I don't know all the functions of laptop because I learned using laptop lately, so still I'm learning things. So I don't know, but I uh, went through many videos that how can you build improve your videos video qualities. So
Quality,
maybe
singular.
quality, sorry, yes, videos quality or video quality.
We are talking about a concept of video quality. So in this case, singular.
Yes, video quality. Yes.
Hmm.
So I watched that there are a few very equipments highly what should I say, highly technologized, no, equipped technology, no.
Highly
Mm,
advanced technologies,
yes,
or
yes, highly advanced technology, and like camera
technologies,
technology, yes, highly
no, plural,
advanced technology, technology,
plural,
technologies,
technologies. Yes,
technologies. Okay,
because you're
so
talking about camera, laptop,
yes.
a lot of
So
other things.
I didn't research about these things, but I feel that in future I will buy that good camera. Camera, yes. I don't know much about these things. I will learn these things.
That's
Still, I
great.
am learning things.
That's a
Yes,
good goal. That's a good goal. So this is what
yes.
streamers do online. Okay, so I follow the gaming community a lot. So,
Mm-hmm.
they will be streaming on a platform like now Facebook is helping streamers, YouTube, Twitch. I'm sure you've heard of these platforms.
Yes.
So when they are streaming, they're playing a game. Let's say I'm playing a mobile game. So when I'm streaming, I put a disclaimer that says, I need $200 to buy a new PC. Please
Okay.
donate.
Okay.
So that
Yes.
when
Yes.
people, when
Yes.
they're watching and they like the person, that they like the content, they'll give $2, $3, and then eventually they will have enough to buy a new PC.
This is, I think, a new. I mean, not very new, but a new function on YouTube. I don't know about Facebook. We
So
have
Facebook
Facebook as
and
well.
YouTube are new to streaming. Yes, they
Yeah.
have
No,
recently, like
no,
I think 2 years ago, they launched it.
no. I'm talking about the that donation that I can ask people for donation, like super chat.
Are
I
you
think.
talking about your channel or are you talking about streaming?
I mean, I'm talking in a general way, like channel. So I can ask people that please donate super chat kind of option
Yes.
we have. So we
Yeah.
can ask for donation people.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm not too sure about the technical aspects, but I
Mm-hmm.
think if you only have a channel and you put up videos, then you
Mm-hmm.
can do two or three things. You can ask them to subscribe to your channel, which is free. Then they
Mm-hmm.
can join your channel, in which they have to pay a monthly fee, okay, to support you as a creator. And and then I think the third option is super chat, if I'm not wrong,
Super chat.
where they
Yes.
can just send you the money. And I
Yes.
think YouTube, have you read the policy? What is the percentage they charge you? Twitch charges 30% commission on every donation.
I
You're
didn't.
not sure.
Yeah, I'm not sure, and I didn't read these things. I just heard or I watched only. See, I'm very poor about my stuff as well.
It's okay. I'm just asking you
Yes,
if you
yes,
have
I
read
know,
it
I
because
know,
I'm
I know.
curious.
Yeah, I should know because I'm being a YouTuber, but
But you're not using the feature, so you don't have to know. If you're using and you don't know, then it's a big problem.
no, I am
Because
not
then,
using. I'm not using. I heard and I watched because I got notification from YouTube itself. That's how I came to know.
that you're eligible for this feature.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay, that's great.
yes.
Okay, so Mega, we have about, I think, 10, 20 seconds left. How do you want to wrap this up? Do you have any questions?
No, I don't have it. Were you serious yesterday? I need to change thumbnails. Please let me know so I will change.
It's a fun. No, I was just saying it in a funny way because every time I look at that video, I'm doing something weird. My hand is here, or I'm wiping my
I
nose or something.
I
That's all.
I felt that you were serious, so I should ask.
I'm joking. I don't care about these things. I don't even read my comments on YouTube because I know I'm the kind of person who doesn't get affected by people's opinions that much. And I want to keep it that way.